Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to check, or rather how to see your TikTok watch time or watch history, okay? Even your comments history on TikTok. So the first thing I want you to do is hop on App Store right there. Let me just go back to the landing of App Store. So with this one, just search up TikTok application. Simply type in TikTok on the search bar and you'll arrive on this application right here. Make sure you see open message right there and you can see update. If rather you're seeing update on your end, please click that one and very quickly update the application, because this feature of watch time or watch history is pretty new, so you just want to make sure we have the best version of TikTok installed to avail that feature. Okay, next one, of course, open the TikTok application, and this should be your TikTok application landing page. So for you page, following, and friends right there, it doesn't really matter. So the first thing I want you to click on, go to your profile, just click on this icon right there that says profile, and with this one, click on the three lines on the top right section. Once you click on that one, simply click on settings and privacy with this, and then you'll see comment and watch history on the content display section. So this is going to be the comment history and watch history. So let's just check for comment first. So these are all my comments, and then simply put watch history is right here. Okay, so that's how you check your watch history or even comments on TikTok. But thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.